Welcome to this video titled Botpress Chatbot Review Usage Experience. In this review, I'll take you through the key features and my experience using Botpress. And I've added links to the product in the description below for easy access. Botpress is an open-source conversational AI platform designed for developers, teams, and businesses who need a highly customizable chatbot solution. Unlike many other chatbot platforms, Botpress gives you full control over the chatbot's behavior and interactions, making it ideal for businesses with specific needs or technical teams who want to create tailored experiences. The platform's standout feature is its open-source nature, which allows developers to modify and extend the functionality of their bots as required. With Botpress, you can integrate it into a wide range of communication channels, such as websites, mobile apps, and messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger or Slack. The visual flow builder is intuitive and allows teams to quickly design conversation paths, automate responses, and implement advanced workflows without needing to code, though advanced users can fully customize the bot through the code. Botpress also offers powerful natural language processing, NLP, capabilities to understand user queries and provide more accurate, human-like responses. It has pre-built integrations for many CRM systems and support tools, such as Salesforce, allowing businesses to capture leads and provide more personalized service. One notable feature is the built-in analytics that gives you insight into the bot's performance, allowing you to monitor user interactions, optimize responses, and improve customer engagement. However, Botpress does come with its learning curve, especially for teams without a technical background. Setting up the server-side environment, for instance, may be a bit complex for non-developers, and you'll need some technical knowledge to make the most of its customization features. Overall, Botpress is a powerful chatbot platform with a lot of flexibility and customization options, making it perfect for tech-savvy teams or businesses looking to deploy a highly tailored AI chatbot solution. If you're ready to dive into conversational AI with full control over the process, I recommend giving Botpress a try. The links to the product are in the description below. Thanks for watching.